It's flavor on flavor on flavor with these beef sausage and egg muffin cups. It starts with seasoned ground beef, which I'll detail later, and a good browning. The key to flavorful ground beef is cooking it in a wide skillet so the moisture evaporates from the beef and it can brown rather than boiling in its own liquid. Then it's mixed with chopped chilies and cheese. So here's the other flavors we've added before cooking. It's 93% lean ground beef with sage, fresh or rubbed, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and crushed red pepper. Now all of this gets mixed together and topped with a mixture of eggs, milk, and hot sauce, as much or as little as you can handle. Filling the muffin tin with the beef first, then pouring in the egg mixture helps create a more evenly distributed egg and meat ratio for that perfect bite with every forkful. They bake for about 20 minutes at 375, and that's how we make these beef sausage and egg muffin cups, fluffy and tasty and oh so irresistible.